In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on headphone notifications on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and you have been using headphone for a couple of days, then your Apple Watch can easily measure the limit and tell you whether to stop using it or not using the headphone notifications. So if you're done with this video, you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to turn on or enable headphone notifications on Apple Watch, all you just need to do is press the two crown once to exit the clock face and then click on the settings icon. Now we want to scroll down until you get to sound and haptics, click on that, then scroll down as well, keep scrolling until you get to headphone safety. Under headphone audio, click on that, then you should see headphone notifications. Now to turn on or enable the headphone notifications, just turn this on, then here you should see your notifications measurement. Like you see, I have 0 in the last month, so if you have more than that, then your headphone notifications will tell you what this looks like and you'll be notified whenever you put on the headphone, and your headphone will notify you that you've exceeded the 7 days limit using headphone. So this is how you can easily enable or turn on headphone notifications on Apple Watch. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.